Hey guys, welcome back. So I ran over to Michael's to get some t-shirts and I saw that they had the $10 grab bag. So I'm like, let's pick up two of them and see what we come up with. Last time I wasn't too impressed. And I can tell that these are Christmassy themed. And I can tell that something smells like cinnamon because my car did when I got in. So I got these two, ran to the car. I got two of them. Ran to the car, put them away, went back into the store to get the t-shirts. And then when I got back, my car smelled like cinnamon. So let's just see what we have here. I have not even peeked in them. And I could tell people were like opening the tape on the boxes to see what's inside. It's just like a real mess over there. They had a couple other ones, but since I could see what was inside, I just chose not to get those. So let's see. Oh, that looks fun already, right? Come on, guys. Let's get into this. Sorry for the delay. All right, here we go. Okay, all right. Let's see. And I did also see that one of them was full of like these type boxes. So, all right, this one has some too. So we have Catmas trees. Lights up. All right, cute. I don't know. I guess it's cute. We're not cat people over here because my husband's allergic, but oh, this is cute. Cafe claws. Oh, so we can paint them and it's like little villages. I'm using this magnetic camera thing, so I'm trying to make sure I stay in focus. All right, so let's just see what the other houses are. These are kind of cute. You know, they'd kind of be fun at a Christmas party, and they all light up. This is just a house, looks like. Oh, there are a lot in here too. Cafe Klaus again. Let's see. Catmas. How much are they selling these for? I can't tell. Michael's also does not have, see a price on there? Does not have price checkers in the store anymore. So I couldn't even see how much. I was buying some paints and I couldn't even see how much they were. But yeah, there are no prices on these, so I'm not sure. But I'm sure they probably went for $5-10 a piece. Knowing Michael's, they were probably like marked at 20 and then 50% off. So we got this ribbon. Ugh, I don't know if I really like that, but it's all right. What do we got here? Aw, look at her. She is sweet. Is she a bride? I guess she's a bride. And then this guy, is he the groom? Oh, sorry, you can't see them. So we got, well, oh, okay, sorry, again, with this camera. He is clearly a nutcracker, right? And I think she's just a wood, oh no, wait. So I guess she is a nutcracker too because she has this feature. That's really adorable. So, yep, that's going to be his bride there. A cute stuffed pink bow that can hang somewhere. That's really sweet. All right, here we go. More wooden. And they all light up, it looks like. But again, no price tags on anything to determine how much. But, I mean, definitely a lot more than $10. So this little guy's a doggy. And then we have a gift. I got to tell you, some of these are pretty cute. I definitely will... oh, look at this. Look at this. We got their castle. All right, hang on. So here's the church where they get married. That's really cute. And then here is the castle where they live. Happily ever after. All right, and that's it for this one.